When the world's first water sprinkler is mentioned, the name of its inventor, James B. Francis, comes first. When the world's first water purifier system is mentioned, the name of its inventor, Joseph Amy, comes first. When the world's first water pump is mentioned, the name of its inventor, Archimedes, comes first. And when it comes to quality water meters, Dashmesh Water Meters is the first name that comes to mind. Dashmesh Water Meters is certified manufacturer and exporter of various types and sizes of water meters. Water meters are devices that measures the quantity of water used in various residential, commercial and industrial applications. We manufacture domestic type water meters ranging from 15 mm to 50 mm approx, by 20,000 to 25,000 numbers monthly production and calculated approx of annual output production capacity of domestic meters production of around 3 lakh and industrial approximately around 25,000 numbers and above. We can also expand the production as per the requirements. When you have a desire to succeed and excel, nothing can stop you from achieving your goal in life. With this great thinking, Sardar Jaswant Singh and Sardar Bakshish Singh started their journey in 1958. The zeal to do something big in life has helped Sardar Jaswant Singh and Sardar Bakshish Singh reach glorious heights in business. With their hard work, vision, knowledge and experience, they have been able to turn the fortunes of their company. The fortunes of Dashmesh Water Meters changed with entry of Sardar Bakshish Singh's sons Amarpreet Singh into the business. He is highly spirited with creative ideas and vision for future growth. He has done brilliant work in ensuring well-maintained factory backup, timely deliveries and quality manufacturing. Amarpreet Singh is a leader who believes in teamwork and gives equal importance and credits of everything to his workforce.
Today, Dashmesh is pioneer in manufacturing various kinds of domestic and industrial water meters, which are used widely in various departments and are manufactured with the norms of IS 779, IS 2373 and with ISO 4064, which is also a European standard.
Our products are being tested and approved by leading testing labs, and also our products are being approved by ISI, NTH, NPL, FCRI, SITAC and other various testing lab certificates, which are recognized by government and semi-government departments. The firm has its own testing lab. Dashmesh has a specialized team of quality control analysis. This team checks our products at each and every stages of production process, right from collecting raw material to final delivery of the consignment.
The hard toil of my grandfather and my father, which inspires me and motivates me, the honesty and the workmanship. After all, honesty and dedication of work is in my blood. My great-grandfather, which was awarded with the Udyog Patra in the year 1983 by Senior Vice President of India. More than 62 years of experience and countless hours of service, and customer support is the main motive of the company. Quality has been the most important element of the business as we believe in the longer run. It helps us to grow the business and make the reputation of the company, which help us to make the trust of our customers and which help us in maintain the quality of our product.
Dashmesh water meters are in panel with Gujarat Water Supply and Sewage Board, Chennai Metropolitan, Hyderabad Water Supply and Sewage Board, Municipal Corporation of Shimla, Municipal Corporation of Brihanna Mumbai, Punjab Water Supply and Sewage Board, Municipal Corporation of Haryana, Delhi Jal Board, Municipal Corporation of Sholapur, MES, CPWD, PWD, etc.
Dashmesh Water Meters has adopted all the modern techniques, testing their product in latest modern technology with all the modern tools and fixtures as per our standard and as per our customer demand.
With the presence of Amarpreet Singh, Dashmesh Water Meters has today become one of the most respected and trusted suppliers to the industries across the globe. Apart from India, Dashmesh Water Meters is expanding its reach with exports to various countries, including South Africa, Egypt, Sudan, Kenya, Ethiopia, Nepal, Bangladesh and Bhutan.
I am Jasveer Singh, Amarpreet's Mamaji from Delhi. I am here to coordinate his business in Amritsar. He is a very best and hard-working boy. He is very coordinate with his staff, workers and with clients. I wish him all the success in his life, and he is one of the best and a hard-working boy.
We are the largest and the biggest manufacturer of water meter and their spare parts in India. We have manufactured the biggest water meter, and that is 1000 mm. Apart from this, our mission is to make our company meet the quality and production as per international standard and to make our company rise in Make in India.
Perfection has always been a priority for Amarpreet Singh, who loves to take steps into a competitive territory and succeed with full glory. The focus of the management of Dashmesh Water Meters will be on delivering innovative products which are safer, efficient and gives maximum value to the customers. Backed by a highly experienced and dedicated team of professionals, we have been able to reach the apex of success.